Cold open. Ever wondered how to make your skin glow naturally at home? Discover the magic of flaxseed cream. Begin with boiling 2 tablespoons of flax seeds in a cup of water. As it thickens, strain the mixture to get your flaxseed gel. Now, add a 1/4 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. It's a powerful antioxidant, aiding in reducing UV damage in skin. Next, choose your favorite essential oil. Lavender for calming, tea tree for acne, or rosemary for anti-aging. Just 2 drops will do. Mix it all together and voila! Your homemade flaxseed cream is ready. Use it as a moisturizer, hair mask, or soothing cream. Remember, all good things take time, so give it a few weeks. Your skin will thank you. Stay tuned for more quick and easy DIY remedies. Until next time, glow naturally with flaxseed cream.